Okay, let's continue. Practice problem number 20. Explain why booster shots are sometimes necessary after the initial vaccination. So, given booster shots after vaccination required, explain reason. Solution: boosters re-stimulate immune memory for stronger, longer protection. So the final answer: the boosters strengthen and prolong immunity. The MCQ for our Quarter 3 Biology Lesson 7, Defending the Body, how vaccines strengthen the immune and lymphatic systems. Which organ in the lymphatic system filters blood and helps detect blood-borne pathogens? Letter A, thymus. Letter B, lymph nodes. C, spleen. D, tonsils. Number 2. What is an antigen? Letter A type of antibody. Letter B, a foreign substance that triggers an immune response. Letter C, a white blood cell. Letter D, a component of the lymphatic system. Number 3. Which immune cells are responsible for producing antibodies? Letter A, helper T cells. Letter B, B cells. Letter C, killer T cells. D, macrophages. Number 4. Which immune cells directly destroy infected body cells? Letter A, plasma cells. Letter B, B cells. Letter C, cytotoxic T cells. D, neutrophils. Number 5. What is the body's first line of defense against pathogens? Letter A, memory cells. Letter B, innate immunity, the skin, mucous barriers. Letter C, adaptive immunity. Letter D, lymph nodes. Number 6. Lymph nodes contribute to immunity by A, producing red blood cells. Letter B, filtering lymph and activating immune cells. Letter C, storing bile. Letter D, regulating body temperature. Number 7. What type of vaccine uses weakened pathogens to stimulate immunity? Letter A, inactivated vaccine. Letter B, live attenuated vaccine. C, subunit vaccine. Letter D, mRNA vaccine. Number 8. Why are memory cells important in vaccination? Letter A, they kill pathogens directly. B, They produce digestive enzymes. Letter C. They allow rapid immune response during reinfection. Letter D. They transport oxygen. Number 9. Which receptor binds to foreign antigens? A. Hormone receptor. B. Chemoreceptor. C. Antigen receptor on lymphocytes. Letter D. Photoreceptor. Number 10. Which fluid carries white blood cells throughout the lymphatic system? Letter A. Blood plasma. Letter B. Lymph. Letter C. Serum. Letter D. Cytoplasm. Number 11. What is the function of antibodies? Letter A. Breaking down nutrients. B. Neutralizing and marking pathogens for destruction. Letter C. Producing lymph fluid. D. Filtering blood. Number 12. Innate immunity differs from adaptive immunity in that letter A. Innate immunity is slow. Adaptive is fast. Letter B. Innate immunity is non-specific. Adaptive is specific and has memory. Letter C. Innate immunity involves only B cells. Letter D. Adaptive immunity works only in the skin. Number 13. In which organ do T cells mature? Letter A. Spleen. Letter B. Bone marrow. Letter C. Thymus. D. Lymph nodes. Number 14. Why does a vaccinated individual often not get seriously ill when later exposed to the pathogen? Letter A. Their skin prevents pathogens entry. Letter B. Their memory cells mount a faster immune response. Letter C. Their lymph nodes stop producing lymph. Letter D. Their red blood cells release antibodies. Number 15. Vaccines help achieve herd immunity by letter A. Strengthening the skin barrier. Letter B. Preventing any person from ever being infected. Letter C. Reducing disease spread when most people are immune. Letter D. Killing pathogens directly. Number 16. Which of the following is the correct sequence of immune events after vaccination? Letter A. Vaccination to antigen exposure to antibody production to memory cell formation. Letter B. Antigen exposure to vaccination to memory cell formation to antibody production. Letter C. Antibody production to vaccination to antigen exposure to to memory cell formation. Letter D, memory cell formation to antigen exposure to vaccination to antibody production. Number 17. Which cells recognize pathogens more quickly during a second exposure? Letter A, neutrophils. Letter B, memory cells. Letter C, plasma cells. Letter D, monocytes. Number 18, which is an example of artificial active immunity. Letter A, recovery after chickenpox infection. Letter B, maternal antibodies pass to a body. Letter C, vaccination against measles. Letter D, breastfeeding. Number 19. What role does the lymphatic system play in activating immune responses? A. It stores energy for immune cells. Letter B. It carries antigens to lymph nodes for recognition. Letter C. It produces digestive enzymes. Letter D. It circulates oxygen in tissues. Number 20. Why are booster shots sometimes required after initial condition? Letter A, to weaken memory cells. Letter B, to re-stimulate immune memory for longer protection. Letter C, to destroy red blood cells. Letter D, to stop lymph circulation. The answer key for our quarter 3 bio lesson 7, depending the body, how vaccines strengthen the immune and lymphatic system. Number 1. The correct answer is letter C, spleen. Number 2. The correct answer is letter B, a foreign substance that triggers an immune response. Number 3. The correct answer is letter B, B cells. Number 4. The correct answer is letter C, cytotoxic cells. Number 5. The correct answer is letter B, innate immunity, like skin, mucus, and barriers. Number 6. Letter B, filtering lymph and activating immune cells. Number 7, letter B, live attenuated vaccine. Number 8, letter C, they allow rapid response during reinfection. Number 9, it's letter C, antigen receptor on lymphocytes. Number 10, it's letter B, lymph. Number 11, it's letter B, neutralizing and marking pathogens for destruction. Number 12, its letter B, innate immunity is non-specific, adaptive is specific, and has memory. Number 14, its letter B, their memory cells mount a faster immune response. Number 15, it's letter C, reducing disease spread when most people are immune. Number 16, it's letter A. Number 17, it's letter B, memory cells. Number 18, it's letter C, vaccination against measles. Number 19, it carries antigen, letter B. And then number 20, it's letter B, We will see you in our next lesson. Bye-bye!